internet. So a significant other has a card game tournament that he is doing today, and I don't have any significant plans. I have already gone to the Green Corner store to pick up some locally brewed kombucha. I do not brew my own because I've tried and it just tastes strange every time that I do. So in case you just want to tell me how incompetent I am for not being able to brew kombucha, leave that down below. And I went to the antique store to pick up hat pins. I have laundry and I rehydrated some beans on the stove, but that's pretty much it. I'm home alone, except for them, but they don't want to do anything either. This is just me trying to figure out what I'm gonna do today. Don't lick your paws. Penny is allergic to grass, apparently. We have ordered her boots off of Amazon, and she will probably absolutely hate wearing them in the first place.
She's very alpha. Hey, Penny. You look kind of like a reindeer.
Starting off, I have been seeing a lot of the commercials for Brittany Runs a Marathon. It sounds kind of like a cute little feel-good story. Not necessarily something that I would watch, but it is guilting me into thinking that I need to work on cardio because I hate cardio. I would much prefer sports. I much prefer any kind of play. And to be fair, my cardiologist did at one point tell me to not run a 5K, but that was a couple years ago before we got all my medications sorted out. I did it. I ran around the block. And I only died twice. It's only maybe a half mile. Maybe, I'm gonna say, like 0.75 just to make myself feel better. So it's not even a mile. Laundry is still in the washer, so thinking of things that I can do before laundry gets out. So I'm not gonna take a shower just yet because I need to do more exercise. You always need to practice your split training. They went down a little bit. And now that you see how bad I am at stretching, I'm gonna call that my exercise for the rest of the day and go take a shower because I'm nasty.
I need mama attention. Yeah, I need mama attention.